Okay, folks, here we are. Imagine this is Wednesday morning, you're in Design Concepts and Evaluation class, and it's still snowing today on Friday afternoon, just like it was on Wednesday morning. I wanted to give you a brief overview of the syllabus in our first YouTube segment, and in our second YouTube segment, we're going to go over an assignment that you need to do for class on Tuesday afternoon so that we're ready to go. Okay? So, in your mailbox, or I gave you today a copy of the syllabus for Design Concepts and Evaluation. Let me tell you a couple of things about this syllabus. I know Sora did the analogy this morning of this is a house, and what we're doing in design and delivery is building the house, and in design concepts we're working on what goes in it. I'm going to expand on that a bit and say we're not only talking about what goes in it, but what goes on around the house. In design concepts and evaluation, the reading that you did for class today mirrors many of the things we're going to want to talk about. We're going to want to talk about needs assessment, evaluation, stakeholders in the learning process. We're going to want to take a look at student development or participant development and student affairs and how to design learning programs, learning experiences, curriculum for those participants, whether they're secondary students, college and university students, non-traditional students. I'm not going to say older participants. I'm going to say professional in their fields of study. So on this syllabus, essentially things are broken down into 4 different parts. And I did this because I wanted to mirror that there's different learning styles, and that we want to try to be able to respond to lots of different ways people learn. So one of the ways people learn is to have everything in one place. So your syllabus does that. It has everything in one place. Now, some people would prefer to have things broken down into parts that they can work with distinctly as they need them. So, hang on one second here, and let me move this down so you can see the table of contents on the front page of your syllabus. Part 1 is the overview. And this will give you essentially everything you need to know about the course in a very general kind of way. What I have been told in the past people really enjoy having is the course, the class schedule and outline, which tells you what we're doing in each week and who's going to be teaching that week. So as you'll see if you look at that, almost all of them are me and me. And Rich will be doing the needs assessment and evaluation components with us, which is week 2 and weeks 9